Our guest speaker today is Mr. Vishwash Gaur, Web Delivery Manager at Bajaj Allianz Insurance Corporation Limited. Mr. Vishwash Gaur is a project manager with more than 9 years of experience in promoting IT and ITES strategic vision through strategy, design, and architecture. He enjoys being a part of open source community and regularly participates in PHP, Joomla, and active collaboration development. Apart from Microsoft Google Analytics certification, he owns a degree of Masters in Science in Information Technology. His daily life has included many roles including project manager, blogger, open source lover, and a motivator. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker, Mr. Vishwash Gaur. Over to you, Mr. Gaur.
Thank you very much, Mohini. I'm really glad to be introduced with all of you. And for today's session, I would like to start with the presentation right now without any delay. So I hope all of you can see my screen at the moment. So I'm moving with the Joomla presentation. Before we move ahead, I would like to tell you that Joomla has started with 1.0, then moved to 1.5, and then 1.6, 1.7, and nowadays it is in the version release which is called 2.5. Joomla has basically two different type of release cycles. One is called STS, which is the short-term support cycle, and another is LTS, which is the long-term support cycle. The difference between both of these cycles is the duration for which a support is provided by a Joomla organization. For STS, it's 6 months, while for LTS, it is 18 months. So whenever you plan something with a particular version in the production, kindly consider that. For today's session, I personally feel that books are very good, but some of the books, when it comes to something learning new, trying something new, the books are really boring. And for this particular purpose, I'm trying to do something different today. So just sit back, relax, and let your human brain process something new. I'm going to add something new to this. For the today's session, I believe that you have all these prerequisites. You should basically have the understanding of basic HTML, PHP, and MySQL. You should be having some interest in MVC, or maybe you just want to get rid of the procedural coding, because when you do a lot of procedural coding, it doesn't allow you for the easy debugging, as well as there is no good code reusability. So for that particular purpose, if you are looking with this presentation, and you must have a web server ready, because this would be an hands-on workshop. So whatever I'm talking about, if you try it at the same moment, it will give you a better idea of the things. And you should have already downloaded Joomla 2.5 package, which is available on the link which I am showing on the screen at the moment. So let's move to the next. For the agenda of today, I would be covering a basic idea of content management system, Joomla, and the extensions. It would give you a starting point to learn about the Joomla. The entire presentation for today is mostly around the beginners who are into Joomla and or trying to do something better with the Joomla. In this presentation, I would cover the download and installation of the Joomla and Joomla extensions, and we would be covering the module development as well. I would try to cover the component development as well, but with the limited time, I might need to skip it. So when we talk about what is CMS, why use CMS, or what is Joomla and Joomla extension, it comes to our mind directly that we do a lot of static website, we do a lot of procedural coding, which is very, very repetitive, and we need to do it. We need to do similar things again and again. And for this particular purpose, something new should be added. And I would like to introduce the MVC concept for this. MVC, they said model, view, and controller. And if you are doing similar type of things, you want to do something quick, then you should start using the templates. So for the templates purpose, we use the object-oriented code. It sounds really confusing, but for now